In this recipe, I will explain how to make a chicken noodle soup in a Ninja soup maker, where you can either use raw or cooked chicken. First of all, add a chopped onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Set the Ninja off on the chop function to chop everything up nice and small. You could optionally saute at this point too. Then add a chopped peeled potato, some celery and carrots, peeled and chopped. All details of the ingredients are down below. Then I've added 2 to 3 boneless chicken thighs chopped up. You could use chicken breast instead, or of course cooked chicken if you've got some left over. Next, add a chicken stock pot, or you could use a cube, some dried mixed herbs, followed optionally by some pepper. Then pour hot water up to the line on the soup maker jug. Then set the soup maker off on the chunky setting. You may be wondering why there are no noodles in yet. That's because there's different ways you can add them. You can either use the uncooked variety and add them at the beginning of the cycle, or you can cook them separately and stir them in at the end, or my favourite way is to use the pre-cooked noodles and simply add them to the jug at the end and submerge them into the soup. Then press the cook and high button on the Ninja. They probably only need a minute to heat through, or however long the packet instructions say. Before we carry on, I wanted to let you know about my latest soup maker recipe book. The paperback is available directly on Amazon, or the digital version can be bought directly from my website. All the links are in the description down below. The book is full of all my favourite soup maker recipes from the blog and some extras, and they've been tested many times over, especially for the soup maker. As you can see, everything is cooked through nicely and is looking good. You can vary up the recipe by adding what vegetables you have available. I just quite like adding the carrot and the celery, which I think is quite typical for a chicken noodle soup. Could obviously add in some frozen peas at the end too if you fancied some green vegetables in there. I hope you've liked this chicken noodle soup recipe. Please do let me know in the comments if you end up making it. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so that my channel can get shown to more people. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you in the next video.